Una why don't know? I don't come again o. Most of una go dey say why you dey vex. See, I dey vex o. This evening now I dey vex o. Una wey be say una go dey force person to love una. See, let me tell you, no dey force person to love you. No dey force person to like you. Now before that they say love is better than hate o. See, now hate is better than love now. Most of una brother no love. Una aunt, una cousin, una nephew, una friends. If they see you, they go dey vex. Anytime we be say if you do something, go near your brother or your auntie, your cousin, your friends, they not just they like me, you dey near them. You go dey think say those people they hate you. See, sometimes hate is better than love. No be lie, no go dey force person make him love you, no go dey force person make him like you. See, my mate they do ritual and I say make I go do ritual. As I read them and I the man tell me say chook hand for this calabash. I chook hand. I see many things for inside. He said bring 2. I pick 2. I bring them. He open one. He said my friend you will live long. I said thank God. You see you will make money. I said thank God. He said you will have money to the extent that Dangote will they tell you show sir. I said that is the kind of money I need. He opened the second one. He said who you love so much. I said I don't know. He said you don't get family. I said yes. You get mother. I said you get brother, sister, auntie. He said yes. Well, of course I said yes. Have you married? I said yes. You get children? I said yes. I get daughter. Say who you love? I said I don't know. He open. He carry mirror come out. He do incantation. He invoke just to know who I love so much. Invoke. Now my friend they appear. Una why don't know? I don't come again. Oh, this is the best. You know, so if I tell you, I say he get gift when God give each family, no, they believe. Oh. I don't fit tell you, I say he get family where they know book. Now this is the lie. Oh. Don't go kill yourself, don't go crazy because you want no book. Oh. See, people they know how to read. They don't have to speak English. Oh. Some boys they speak English. They don't have to read. Oh. He get gift when God give each family. Now I saw I did. My friend Okocha, he go call me. He said soup. I said He said one boy beat my junior sister. Let's go and mess up. I said you don't observe the family. He said no. Let's go. Don't be this time. When we read there, we see small boy. He did grand like this. He said soup. I said He said step aside. Stand. Let me beat this small boy. He got there. As he said me, he slap him. The boy take him. Bam. I tear this. As I reach out, he tell me say, "Why I know?" I say, "I don't fit tell you." No, the other person just look and say smoke. See, he get family where they get power. He get family where they get power. If you let me short, from the senior brother to the last born, all of them get power. They feel don't know how to read. They feel no feel speak English. But power, God bless the natural power. If you like me, you be giant, come go beat you. Family day when get power. Now so it be gift day like that. Don't go there pull hand for where you reach you. That my friend, and so he come be. For how many years ago? Now we see get what you know hand on you and do. One of my friends did not just because he get there with her. Who you know if he beat. He said, I miss you. That one take and time. And they talk to you now. One hand now get. Don't go there do what your hand on you. Una why don't know? I don't come again. See, as I did like this, at the verse, I don't get joy. I can't advise una. When be say, well, una hand no reach, una won't do one by force. No go crazy. Sometimes if they verse me, if they hear say some music, they say, what money cannot do it, too much money can do it. No be everything money they do. Let me tell you, all fingers are not equal. Some of you they go school, but say your friend no book. You want no book every day and night. You they read. You won't bust your play job because you want no book. No go crazy, no kill yourself. No be all family they no book. Let me tell you, no be by school fees that they no book. If you like me that they pay 500,000 for your school fees for the highest school, Who no book, no book. Oh. You get family where they no book. Oh. Now so I won't kill myself those days. Oh. Because they say because I don't know book, I will look this family all of the notebook. The day when I discover and when we say Peking when they still born for my pleasure for the family, he still grow come no book past me. Now I discover say he get family where they no book. Not be all family they no book. Oh. If you like me that they pay 500 naira for you for school fees, who that they pay 200 naira for school fees, you go no book pass you when they pay 500,000 for. No go kill yourself. Oh. You get family where they no book. Oh. Not be by force. Oh. See, let me tell you. Wait till you know what you do. Not go force yourself. Many people they crazy. So you they hear me? Not go force yourself. Everybody get your gift. You get something when be say God just do for yourself. When be say if you just touch and they work, that one are your gift. Oh, now so that they see your family get what it be say they just they specialize on. Whether they feel they do well. Now gift be that too. Now so that they see family when be say if you talk about school, all of them they no book. Not be saying that they focus. Now they read pass. Now family inheritance so they get house where they no book. I don't tell you now. Maybe only force you themselves they read, don't go crazy. So too much reading they make head they bust. So all those people no book, they know they read. Oh. Let me tell you something. You get some guests when be say they don't learn hairdresser. They sabi plate hair pass person when you go to learn hairdresser. Oh. Now gift you everything about this life now gift you. Let me tell you. Now so it still be for relationship. Oh. Now so it still be for relationship. You get family when be say no get when they talk to. When you no go grill. Any get when they talk to. She must grill. Now family inheritance. So don't go kill yourself. Don't go crazy. And they tell you. You get family when be say they just mark for tongue. Family inheritance. Once they talk to the girl must grill. It did their tongue. And then make many people they go to do juju just because you see say Manuel talk to a guy agree. The next day talk to another guy agree. You go to say na juju Manuel they use will not be juju. You get family when just be say they bought the gift. Oh. No go crazy, no go kill yourself. Oh. Now so it still be for the juju. Oh. You want a person will go do odeshi. You go work for your friend, no work for you. No be say the person when you do the juju no do away again. That your friend when you work for. Now person for a family they help am, they go cover. Ono team when bo. Ono a back boy keke. Or you come back go. I know wetin that they talk. Oh. No go crazy. Everybody get your gift. Oh. Observe yourself, pray to God, make God show you your talent. Oh. No go crazy because of another person. See, make I tell you now, at the vessel, I no can introduce myself for now. At the verse that I talk to you now. Flag daytime. Flag daytime that I talk to you now. It don't said for soup, not the red kiddo. And Ashago kiddo. May all the Ashago travel. No be lie, they talk at the vessel. I carry Ashago yesterday, pay am 300 euro to make me come. I wipe Ashago for 1 hour 30 minutes. Ashago don't come. And I never come. Ashago make me come. Ashago say don't tire. I ask Ashago, did I pay you to come? I pay you for me to come. Ashago say make I go breathe mustard, make it drink. Make it take continue. Make I go breathe mustard. Ashago don't run. No. Now make me come and say make I call tell una say make una see all the Ashago way dey Europe or Nigeria anywhere. It don't set between soup, not the red kiddo and Ashago. May all the Ashago travel. I bet me na share this video. All the Ashago make una travel. It don't said flag don't dey turn now. It don't said make una travel. Thank you for watching that funny comedy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Soup Not the Rain. Please like, share, comment, share to your people, your family, your friends. Please subscribe and like. Please don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime when I drop comment, you will be the first to receive it. Chee!